First things first, I appreciate your support. If you have a fully automatic washing machine like this one here, this is a Ram Tom's R144. If you have a fully automatic washing machine, ensure you have enough water. A fully automatic washing machine needs water that has enough pressure. Let's remove the dispenser. Look, if you are seeing this on your washing machine, be prepared to replace the solenoid valve. They are somewhere here. If you are unlucky, once they overheat, they affect the control panel. So always ensure you have enough water. Don't run a machine with such pressure. You'll end up disposing a good machine. You'll spend more on repairs. Fix. Ensure this pipe is straight. It should not be kinked. Ensure the filters are clean. If you're struggling with water, get a water pump or raise the drum if you can. If not, machine will keep giving you an error code. An error code will appear here. And the more you get this error code, the more you affect the valves, and you might end up replacing the control panel. Don't play yourself.